I'm Chief Executive of the DMA Group.
There's so many things that companies need to be aware of and what's on the horizon, and it just helps settle some of that down and actually give us more of a timeline of when those things are coming through.
Yeah, I thought the event was really good, and my key takeouts were really along the kind of new data protection and opt-in legislation.
Although the regulation might be coming in 2017, 2018, it's very important to start working and act fast.
I think it's really crystallised for me the fact that this is going to impact on a lot of different departments. So it's going to be a lot of interaction with sales, with our CRM teams, with our marketing teams. So it's a lot wider ranging than I initially anticipated.
The most important insight from today was really the fact that we need to start planning now for a 2017 implementation of legislation that will restrict, potentially restrict marketeers' ability to manage a relationship with their customer base.
Thank you to fast.MAP and Op4 for organising today's conference, and of course thank you to the sponsors, the Red Group and KPM. Thank you.